For years, people who put cabbage leaves on their sore knees were laughed at. It sounded like a silly old folktale, right? Well, hold on, because science is now saying that cabbage wraps might actually reduce pain and swelling, and the reason why is blowing everyone's mind. For generations, people used cabbage leaves to calm sore joints, reduce swelling from injuries, and ease discomfort. Your grandma might have sworn by it. But for just as long, doctors and skeptics dismissed it as a myth, just a placebo effect. It turns out, that old remedy might not be a myth after all. The wisdom passed down through families might have been onto something huge. So, what did scientists find that changed everything? Researchers have discovered something incredible. Plants can release special compounds that are small enough to enter human cells. We're not just talking about when you eat them, we're talking about just by touching them. Even tiny pieces of a plant's DNA, called microRNAs, seem to be able to communicate directly with our bodies in a way we never thought possible. This completely changes our understanding of how plants and humans interact. Let's break down how cabbage helps, in a very simple way. Cabbage is packed with natural anti-inflammatory chemicals, like sulforaphane and anthocyanins. You've probably heard of these before in the context of healthy eating, but when you place a cabbage leaf directly on your skin, these powerful compounds get absorbed and go to work right at the source of the problem. They help calm the inflammation deep in the tissue, which in turn supports the body's natural healing process. And that's why, over time, the pain and swelling slowly start to go down. It's not magic, it's plant-based chemistry. But here's where it gets truly wild, the DNA surprise. Scientists didn't just find those anti-inflammatory compounds. They also found tiny fragments of the cabbage's own genetic material, its microRNAs, crossing over and entering human cells. This is groundbreaking. Once inside, these plant DNA fragments may help to switch off the specific signals in our cells that are screaming inflammation. It's almost like the plant is talking to your body on a cellular level, telling it to calm down and start repairing itself. It's a direct line of communication we never knew existed. And to be clear, this isn't just a theory. Modern science is confirming it with hard evidence. Using advanced lab imaging and cell testing, researchers could literally watch as human tissue reacted to the cabbage compounds. They observed the molecular changes in real time. The results showed definite biological shifts, proving this is far more than just a cooling sensation or a simple placebo. It's a real, measurable physiological response happening inside your body. So, why does any of this matter? Because this discovery fundamentally changes how we view natural remedies. It suggests that the wisdom held in ancient traditions might be based on real, complex biological mechanisms that we are only just now beginning to understand. Plants are not just food we digest for nutrients, that they can be interactive biological agents that directly affect how our cells behave and function. It opens up a whole new world of possibilities for healing. It just goes to show you that sometimes the simplest and most powerful healing tools were right there in front of us the whole time, waiting in the garden or the grocery store. Science is finally catching up to tradition, proving that there's a lot more to nature than meets the eye. If you found this fascinating, make sure to subscribe for more hidden science behind the everyday remedies you thought you knew. Thanks for watching.